Okay, crossmember. Anybody who has a Defender will know that the cross members do rot, and you know, it's one of those things that will fail your MOT or your NCT. So this is a Bearmach Crossmember. It's about 40 pounds in weight. It's you know, it's quality assured, OEM and quality assured. So like all Bearmach products, it's high quality. This is a very important part of the build because, as I said, the one that we have on there, it's the factory one that's there. It's pretty much gone and it needs to be changed. So yeah, so this will be a key part of the build. Oh, you're rolling, it's rolling.
Crossmember looks good.
Yeah, I think it looks great. Really pleased with it, and really finishes off the back of the vehicle. So no more patching up, no more repainting, no more worrying about failing road tests, whatever. So yeah, I think it looks really, really nice, and I'm really happy with it. All good. Hope it lasts another 20 years.